Hey guys, it's Brigitte with San Diego Seed Company, and look at my gorgeous corn. It is the middle of August, and as many people know, if you're growing anything, you're probably growing corn, and it looks great. But we've got a surprise on our farm. We've also got lettuce growing right now. All right guys, check this out. Look at my gorgeous lettuce. Okay, so I've got this lettuce growing and it looks fantastic, and it is the middle of August. So what's my secret? See this? This is a farmer's friend. This is called shade cloth. It's really an incredible product that allows you to extend your season or start really early. So obviously in zone 9 and 10 in middle of August, it's hot, probably too hot for your lettuce. So by using shade cloth, an agricultural shade cloth, you actually can create an environment where things like lettuces and your cool season crops can thrive. Now this is a 30% shade cloth, which means that it blocks out 30% of the sun. For us, that's ideal. It comes in different grades. You can get 30%, 50%, all the way up to 70%. You don't really want 70% because it will block out too much of the UV light and your plants will actually be stunted. I promise you, if you use shade cloth, you will be able to start your cool season stuff sooner, and you can also extend your season a lot of the time. So that's my tip for you guys.